And now it's time for today's daily forecast with EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martridge.
Hey, good morning to you. It is Monday, August 13th, 2018, and we have the opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms over the region over the next couple of days, and that is because we have an upper-level trough sitting over the region that's going to have an upper-level low associated with it over the Ohio Valley. A surface low is going to form along that boundary to our south and east as a cold front boundary sitting right about there. So we will have an opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms across our region today, and that's going to continue in the overnight period and again on Tuesday before this finally lifts out. This upper level low is going to move out to the north and east, but it's going to take its time doing so. Once it finally moves out by Wednesday, we start to clear out. We have partly to mostly sunny skies returning to the region, but in the next couple of days it's going to be a little bit unsettled until that moves out. So let's get over to the NAM High-Res Future Simulator Radar. We're going to start this off at 8 o'clock in the morning, and you see some scattered activity beginning here, actually a continuation of what happened overnight, and then continuing during the day today. It's going to lift off to the north and east. And you can see it's going to pivot around the outer periphery of the low pressure that's forming offshore along that boundary, the first of two. We think we have another one coming in here on Tuesday. So you're going to have the scattered showers and thunderstorms. But again, today's going to be like one of those deals where it's going to be not everywhere. Not everywhere is going to see the scattered showers and thunderstorms. You're going to have some breaks in between. And the areas that do get hit with the scattered showers and thunderstorms will have locally heavy rainfall. It looks like today wants to focus on the far eastern portions of Pennsylvania today, for a little further in the interior like this, but not so much in central Pennsylvania as eastern Pennsylvania. So we will have the opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms today. I do think that any storm can produce locally heavy rainfall and at least moderate lightning. I do think we're going to have a lot of clouds in the way today that's going to keep this from being a severe threat. But we do, and then the winds are winds aloft, and as far also lapse rates and things like that aren't very conducive for some strong to severe storms. We're not really looking at that too much today, but this is going to continue to pivot around this low offshore. Here's looking at 10 p.m. on Monday, so you really haven't gotten too different from what we saw throughout the day. But literally the same areas are going to get into the shower and thunderstorm activity, and that's going to continue right into the overnight. Once we get into Tuesday, it's going to lift a little bit further to the north, and you can see that here, scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday, but not as widespread as today. So today is of the next 2 days, today is the worst day of the two, and then once this continues to lift off to the north and east, we get rid of the storm chances as we get into the overnight on Tuesday, and that continues into Wednesday. So here's a look at today on the global models. Here's a look at Tuesday on the global models. Not a whole lot different, okay? So we're going to have an opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday as well, just not as pronounced as today, okay? Once we get into Wednesday, clear sailing. Partly to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures are going to get up in the upper 80s as opposed to being around 78, 80, 82, which will be over the next couple of days with more clouds than sun over Monday and Tuesday. Once we get to Wednesday, you're definitely more sun than clouds, and you're going to have actually partly to mostly sunny skies on Wednesday, and temperatures again upper 80s to near 90 degrees across the region. And the same thing's going to hold here for Thursday. I think Thursday's going to be another day where we're going to have partly to mostly sunny skies. Warm front's going to be off to the north, slight chance of a shower for areas far north. Cold front is going to be approaching from the west. That's going to get here on Friday. So we're going to have a warm sectored area. Many areas approaching the 90-degree mark, except for the far northern areas will be stuck in the 80s because of this front being nearby. Okay, and then once we get into Friday, later in the day, we have the cold front moving through with scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through the region. Doesn't look like a big deal here on Friday as these storms move through. You see not a lot of precipitation with that. Most of the forcing is off to the north, so we're not looking at severe weather either. And then once we get to Saturday, we get a little bit of, here's Saturday, there's a little bit of a break in between here on Saturday. So just partly cloudy skies, another system moving in from the west that could bring scattered showers and thunderstorms for Sunday. Now, this is getting into the max range of our forecasts, so we're going to cross that bridge when we get there, see what we're dealing with here on Sunday. This is looking at later on Sunday, so it looks like scattered showers and thunderstorms will be back into the picture after a mostly dry weekend up until that point. So we're hoping that this weekend is not a repeat of the previous weekend, even though yesterday wasn't too bad. for most areas. And some areas got some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon in the far interior, but other than that, it wasn't too bad of a Sunday. Saturday, of course, was had a little bit of thunderstorm activity in the mid to late afternoon hours and into the evening. And then, of course, Sunday was mostly dry for most areas except for the far interior. So, again, we're going to watch this closely and see what we're dealing with for this weekend. But right now, it looks like at least Saturday is dry, and we're going to watch the models for this weekend, how they look for Sunday. As of right now, it looks like it's going to be later in the day on Sunday for scattered showers and thunderstorms to come back into the picture. Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for August 13th, 2018. Have a great Monday.